Again, half bind, full bind. Chest pulls towards the sky. Now from this position, a full bind is where we move into birds of paradise. So if you want to try a really advanced pose, then to move into this one, you're going to bring your left foot up. So notice what I did there. I put my body weight in my front foot and I allow myself to bring my left foot up. I keep the bind, I keep a bend in my left knee to begin with, then I slowly come up. Core is strong. You can stay like this. So you're slowly working your way up to a straight left leg. Then, once you get there, you can work towards a straight right leg.